Lane 1, Calderon Paris of Valenzuela. Lane 2, Tan Ava Elizabeth of San Juan. Lane 3, Concepcion Avery of Pasig. Lane 4, Akibar Dana Cristel of Makati. Lane 5, Tacorda Amelia Marie of Taguig Pateros. Lane 6, Bautista Eliana Andrea of Caloocan. Lane 7, Ferrer Celestina Sofia of Mandaluyong. And Lane 8, Salon Reynem Zia of Parañaque. On deck are the swimmers